Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I'm at the Tanger Performing Arts Center in downtown Greensboro. Bringing this performing arts center at a cost of $88 million is one of Greensboro's crowning achievements. Seating over 3,000, this center officially opened to patrons in November 2021 and hosts a wide variety of performances, such as Les Miserables, Cats, Brandon Marsalis, Riverdance, Styx, Mannheim Steamroller Christmas, and many more. Who needs New York City's Broadway when you have the Tanger Performing Arts Center in Greensboro? Residents coming home from a hard day of shopping and fun are treated to an elegant collection of luxury townhomes built by the acclaimed builders, D Stone Builders. Outside irrigation keeps the lawns lush and verdant. The interior appointments are what you'd expect from D Stone Builders. High ceilings and open floor plans with main level owner suite, and quality at every turn from the finishes to the cabinetry. Truly fantastic location aside, these luxurious townhomes appeal to the discriminating buyer looking for an easier lifestyle without giving up any of the luxury to which they are accustomed.